Me still a lead. Them girl just come. I'm a trendsetter. Me still a lead. I want name she have me have 6. She have 5 more to go. Not what she do, she can't lead in her. She's a follower. Not what she do. She's not a leader, she's a follower. A 6 man name me have and she have 1. She have 5 more to go. Bitch ass. So between me and you, I wish she could get a tattoo then now. Me I forgot tattoo Drake's now competition. Cute. I forgot tattoo Drake's now. And Drake's I forgot tattoo Ivany now. A competition. It big. Are y'all lying right now? Or are you dead ass? Is y'all for real? Is it on screen record? Okay. I'm gonna get my man. I don't know. I don't got a man. I'm gonna get somebody. I'm gonna get a face right here. I'm gonna get my man face right here. What the fuck is this? Or I'm gonna get it right here. Very big. For him to break up with me the next day and then I leave with a big ass face. Are you crazy? Those things will make you go pum pum pum. Pum pum pum. Akeem tattoo 3 dots for her. Rose too big. That the 3 dots mean? What the 3 dots mean? Check your DM. Yo, dead ass. Hold on. Wait, I'm gonna look right now. Wait, I'm gonna go look right now. Don't move. Thank God I didn't go in the showers yet. And them so good girl that follow me. What's your tattoo man name? She there with man for tattoo man name. She fool. She don't want competition. You can't. Me I got tattooed. Me right now, me I go back go tattoo all of me ex them name. Double it. You can't want in a competition with me. I am that girl. And you are not. You are not that girl. Hold on, let me see. Shit, I'm in a fake page. Let me see. Yeah, I think y'all are sending on my Instagram. I don't got none of my pages logged in this. I only got my fake page. What is this? You know, say, let's be real. Me I go have my... Me not care if Akeem want come for me. Me I go have my honest opinion on this. At one time, I did feel like Akeem genuinely love Rose, you know. I did feel like she genuinely... The picture that in the comments are cute me. I did feel like him genuinely fuck with her, but... No, Akeem, he is a user and a manipulator and I'm telling you something. A serious, take it from me, we've been through it. I'm telling you something, you see love. You see loving somebody too hard will make you go nuts. Like, it will make you do things. Love will make you kill somebody. Love will make you hurt the person where you love or the person, partner, where them there with now. Love, and this is not going for everybody. I'm talking about some people, because I can't speak on everybody. Love will make you unalive your own self when you truly love somebody. And I personally feel like if you see a girl that love you and you don't love her that much, stop leading her on. You get what I'm saying? Stop leading her on. Because then when she come kill your ass and people gonna talk about, oh, she wicked because she kill her. Will you lead her? All right. We see say We see say you did dead as a friend, fear. We see say you did dead as a friend, fear, and you show her love. Alright. Come on no man. Akeem, you're not blind. Your sister the girl really want you. If you care for her that much, why you allow the girl to put on your name there? So that is not a friendly name, you know. I don't care. You can't go screen record tell me is a 8. When people talk truth on TikTok, you say people are 8. This is not no friend to friend. If you say, alright, then this is one friend to friend thing. Me love him as a friend. This is more than friendship. Rose affair. Me not add nobody for my life. Why not force some people for me over? You not to mix up too, you know. And that's what they do with Britney. When me just come over here and force some Britney for me. And then turn around and say me I follow Britney. You know, say Akeem and Jaden apart. Wanna force me and for add you know say was and Jaden apart. Wanna force me for add every day you come add was for what? Next thing you know, when you're there on screen record, you're gonna say, I chose you see what's and Jaden knowing that the girl love club. No, I'm staying on my Caan. I'm staying on my wonderful world. From what I'm staying on, maybe do staying on for my part. I'm not running on a body. I never know like her today then come with it. I want drinks and me pick my side. When me I say, you can't stop her from get tattoo. Why you down there and make you put on the tattoo and you know say you not like a girl like that. And when he analyze himself now can can't get you cry. Or when he come chop in your blood clot or you go chat to one next. You know what go happen? Me see future, you know. And that's why I not run for play up no match with Waska who no go like for turn people against people. And if you don't know was is a genuine girl, should I do mix up, you know? Me see how this a go turn out. Let me tell you how it turn out. It a go so call it happen where Was and Akeem all licked pan the TikTok can start. Hey. Trust, you laughing in the trust. It a go happen. Was Akeem I go lick head pan TikTok and start play match. And I done it, I got done. It I got done. And I like 2 ex them were hooligans like how me we see I wanna make them and run them under their mama. What's another person for disrespect Akeem pan the internet? She not do that. She's a very, very who know what's in her real life? No, she a very nice girl. Very, very nice girl. Akeem nah this nobody neither. And me know you see Jaden? You see all this Jaden and Was? You think Jaden easy? You know what am I doing? Jaden want to get Was in her little hands for make him a Was play. And Jaden I gonna be the one for make Was and blood clot Akeem lick head for start play upon TikTok. And I want to see too. Rosealee gonna drop down dead. Because Akeem no fit have no friend. Akeem no fit have no friend. And the people them a go lick head and play match pan like and she go drop down flat. And you know what go hurt her too? Cause you just go get a tattoo too, you know. You run go get. Me not put on no man name if they not put on my name, you know. It's a difference. Me have on man name already when I have on my name yet. But when me tell you the difference. The difference with that is I never me and them got a tattoo store. Me just go buy for myself. Go put on my tattoo. So that's a different. Me go down there. Them man not even know say me don't put it on. And me go put it on and then me send them a picture. Any man when me and them have to drive from me yard go put on tattoo and me and you. Me and I left tattoo shop and me alone have your name and you not have none. I remember me and you the series, you know. And me and you make money, you know. Then again, Akeem follow him friend. Nothing wrong with that. We can't blame Akeem. Akeem follow him friend. And we have stop force blood clot rose pan Akeem. Yes, say Akeem now want to suck good girl. Akeem now want to suck good girl. And she alone think she and the man there. Him and her a friend. In a film head, them a friend. I follow him friend go put on tattoo. And you know say Akeem out bad to inner rank for come talk and call her sis, you know, sis what go on. No man can't come in a blood clot sis. So good, girl. You can't worry about me. I'm a blood clot, man. My man don't want things for the internet. So good, because people like uno like to mash up people relationship. People don't like the on the internet. Some people want the on the blood clot low. As soon as I can look up the relationship on the internet, it done. Like when you and yam chips, as they work me bag, it done. Cause as the people them sue you fuck, them walla black so good, girl. Black. Bitch, you don't like me, but you're watching me. Leave. Get the fuck out of my way. She have an Shantu and Bebu to name pan her. Me have an ice. Me know why you're not going in hospital. A new series for new money every day. Me tired of them. Until one of them drop dead, me we understand say, yeah, then dead for you and me start ball. But once they have life and them a do all and them madness say it's all troll. Yeah, we carry. She have a Shantu and Bebuto? No. If she have them on and she go put on a man name, then you get a pass. Me can't put that past you. If you have a Shantu or you have a Bebuto name, then me I go left you alone for that one. Yeah. Cause me have an ice. But if you don't have the man, you put on the man name first. Yes. You kiss your teeth, I'm going to block you right now. Block. Leave and don't come back. So good, girl. The time Akeem bringing Rosealee to the gym, to the tattoo store, bring her to the gym. Bring her to the gym. It don't mean her no good. She can't get up out her house. She can't get up out her house. Walk, go to the blood clot makeup artist. Sarah will be like a blood clot penguin, yeah? Sarah, she can't even walk straight. Sarah, we just now she's gonna put her back brand and her on mid-deer and she skin up her face. Why she don't walk like that to the gym? You walk like that so you go to your ear. You walk like that so you do your nails. And you walk like that so you go to the dance. And then you wobble go in your car if you go to the tattoo place. Why don't you wobble go to the gym to take some blood clot weight? And from to them one class because she's very provoking. Listen. Rosealee see Drake's upon live today. You can't stop nobody from walking at the background because obviously Drake's the outside, so she can't walk if she want. Look like she da go shop. You can't stop nobody from walk. But she attack. May I block you so good, girl. Watch. She come for borrow people flat iron and she a hot girl. She come and borrow people flat iron. And 1 hour she take for borrow the flat iron. The flat iron can't reach her. She stand up at her door 1 hour try to borrow one flat iron. Every time she utter something out her mouth, she go louder and louder. It's like a stairs of volume climbing up on the top of her voice. Every time she beg for her flat iron, her voice go louder because she want the people them on the life to hear and she want Drakes to react. Well, look, she got the shop, says she buy something. At 2 hours that. She spend 1 hour wait for another flat iron. She spend another hour buy something from the shop. When she buy something from the shop, her voice I go higher, Drake still not appear in her mind. She see the man them out there, she start laugh. Hear the man there, hear she to the man. I fuck you want fuck me, the man say no. Everybody tear. Me laugh, Cutty laugh, Zozo laugh, Drake's laugh, and the man them a laugh afar. People them say no. I could see a dirty hug like you. I tell you, I want to see her if it's salt her. When you see her, if all Drakes, I don't know your temper good, because I see me lick him down flat. I say, I go lick down nobody but me. Just I say, I have a high temper, you know. I say, I in my little space and a girl come in my space and load. I lick him down flat. And there's another thing I wanted to address. You're so bad, man. I did want to ask you, because every screen record when I do, you see. And then nobody send you nothing, girl. You start me and watch up on For You page. Every time you come live, you talk about, I just see the one vanishing and somebody send me, no blood clot body not send you no. This is TikTok. We all see everything. How you feel for know say you had 5,000 people by your live? Watch you know. How you feel for know say you have 5,000 people that watch you one night? Shark got a rank. Drake's a rank. And for the people them who just come want to listen to this clear, because no found no know what going. Drake's and I plan for keep one birthday match for me. Drake's never planned for go number one that day. I don't know about other day. He's never planning to go number one. He's a planting for my birthday match. When me and him play the birthday match, me say me a go up in the ranking. So me say, alright, me go and push for rank. Congrats to me. Me ended pan top 20. Me get the badge on my name. Drake sister him a got top 1. Drake say, alright, him a go push. Not even Drake this same a push. We the people force him for push. Me and him team force him say Drake's push for number 1 because yeah get the number 1. We did there we a play. Akeem did the live. Akeem come off, give Rose how much lion and gone. Why she could have just dip on her live and just go and play? You know, even if you say you want to take off your baby father for the ranking, you don't even have to talk it in the atmosphere for sure people see that bad mind. You could have just go and do your little thing and decide to, alright, me now give it under the law. The girl sit down on the live and hear her. Him now get the blood clot number 1. As long as me live here, so him now get the number 1. And she go on and you see that night upon my birthday, I don't mention Rose's name. I never trouble her. Drake's not trouble her. Nobody no comment nothing bad about her. Rosealee name was never mentioned upon my birthday. And she done pan. Drake's now get number 1. I'm gonna come off. The only way me I come off if Mrs. Short God get the number 1, me I come off. And she go on, and she go on, and she go on. And she go on. Me look pan it like this. Alright, when Mrs. say, she a talk. Drake's got down, you know. Drake start like he start. Somebody say lash gone already. I may pick them out. It's like Drake's feel away. Because the man, me not telling a lie, the man did want the number 1. And if him tell me saying I want the number 1, me that look in her face pan the live and say you too lie. You did want the number 1. You could have say hurt in her face say the girl a fight him out. You see, because Drake is a good friend to me. And him play a match and me and him are right through the storm the night. Me come off of me live. And Rosealee, me I tell you something, you could baby, you could. Well, I'm not telling a lie, Drake. Because me and my rent for paying him. Because me that say she could do with me that send you. But me don't send him my little dividends unless you don't send me back. That's what I say. But me come off of me live. And me go send Drake's to universe. Because me say Rosealee, you have a blood clot come down. You're too turbo, man. You see, if somebody else did a bad mind and want to take off a ranking, me da understand. But me look upon it like that's the man are your kids them father. So in a matter if the money I go to you, in a matter if the money I go to Drake, it's still a benefit because the two of them have picnic together. The picnic them they buy you sometime, you have to buy food for them, you have to buy clothes for them, Rosealee. The picnic them go over Drake's have to do the same thing. Pitney now go always ask one person for something. If the pitney them that run Rosealee, them I say, Mommy, me can't get this, I supposed to can't give them. If then they run their father, them I say, Daddy, me can't get this, the two are supposed to have no money. How the fuck you try to take off your baby father off a ranking? You own a baby father, your kids them father. Because of Babs and me send Drake the two local universe. Blood clot Rosealee start cuss. Send the two local universe and thing now. Come back on my live, me see Jay had come on the live. Me know say Jay, everybody knows that when Jay shoot big. Jay, me live the restricted and Jay say ma send me one line. And me say Jay, me if I suck my mother suck a dirty girl all this. Wait. If you think no matter how much people over here, me yeah them good and you nah Mr. Black, you're too fucking disrespectful. Okay, leave now. You know say Jay Savani, yeah, Blue Jay Savani. Me want send you one lion, but it not send. Then the time I not even remember say, me live the restricted, me have to restart. And I turn to him and say, instead of send me the lion, go and send Drake's the lion, cause Drake's a rank. Me restart my live, me come back. When me come back, me say Drake's I get the lion them. J Blue come send me the lion. Rosealee head chip. Rosealee over there start class me. He start class Drake's and I get mad. He say now come off a ranking until Shark God get it da. Me end up go on Shark God live now. Me have one fake page. You can't watch it live with the same page you depend. Me go on Shark God live. I'm go over there go over here. Shark God say he might make Drake's get the number 1. That was Shark. I lie me I tell guys. Me then come back on the live and say that me hear Shark God say. So when me I hear the people them say Shark God want number 1, me I say to myself say that not sound right because me just hear Shark God say me no want the number 1. Me will make Drake's get the number 1. And that man say when me go back over my live and me I say Drake's no worry yourself. Shot God say, man, make I get the number one. The people them I say, him not say that. Him say, my go feet, him I go feet. Or me I block you. If so, it look like me if I go take off my moderator them. Cause me I talk and me I see the comments them nasty for black or no. And me I black them. Then now, I go over there now and Drake him dead and Drake start make Rosealee fat album. Rosealee in her live. Rosealee have 4,000 people that watch her. Rosealee in her live and go up and Shot God live. Go send Shot God how much lion and so on. Rosealee in her live with 4,000 people go over Shot God live. Go shoot down over that blood clot and send how much lion over there. And with all the audacity, when she done go shoot for Shot God, she left from Shot God live and go she go join Drake's live. For sure she provoking, you know. She end up go join Drake's live. And Drake say, Rat, what you doing here? What you do over here, Rat? And I said, Drake's no PR in mine. And Drake said, no, make me talk her when she a class me. And Drake start class her and me start laugh and say, yeah, run the suck good girl. I never remember she did go back live after that. But the only thing I want to ask Rosealee right now, Rosealee, how you feel, say, after all of the bad mind quotes there and thing where you put out in the ear, in your life, all of the money where your gifters them give you, the hard-working money where people them get and give you for the whole day, and the money them what Akeem give you for the lion them when them come off. Or you feel for no say you come off a year live with 4,000 people go give it all to Shot God and only for Shot God turn off him live and get Drake's the number one. That's why them say when your blood clot plan God a wipe. God do like ugly. Not because your heart black, another person heart go black. Your heart two blood clot black. You come off of your life and you go send the man how much gift for take on your baby father. And everybody we have to say thanks to Shot God. Because even me did I lose. And I say, because I know Shot God and I always Shot God give me already and I give Shot God. You know, I don't know Shot God. I know. Shot God the only person I sip on the app on Jamaican side where ever the number one and I'm really in the argument. So me ask anybody screen record out there when I say, no man, Shot God, we make a catchy come. I don't know Shot God as a person there. When the people them come and I say, Shot God say want it. Me I say, then I turn to my life and I say, guys, let me get to understand. Do Shot God know say the only reason why he might get gift from Rosealee is because of the baby father? And the people them say yes. And I say, alright. Then Shot God now look into himself and say, well, Rosealee I do a fuckery. And I say, if Shot God really make Rosealee program him a fucker too. And then when I say Shot God take down the DP where him did have and put up the DP where Rosealee must have got oh something. I say, blood clot, everybody against one smaddy. And then when I say Shot God turn off him ranking and give Drake the number one, I say, Rosealee, you just, I don't know, Rosealee, you for go. You for go. And another thing I want for address. I hear when I talk about Ivany 8 Rose that much where Ivany want hack Rosealee page. Let me tell you something. No, people can't do anything in this world. Ask anybody about me. You have people on the live who got high school with me. My favorite subject in school is information technology. Anything what to do with gadget and me that. I love that. Anything what to do with phone, computer, laptop, gadget, internet. I mean that. I'm mad out when it come to them something there. There is nothing nobody can do. Like how people study for be lawyer, judge, nurse, and everything. You can study and do anything in a life. So when you hear me say me will sit down and study this blood clot and take down some girl for the fuckery you do. Don't underestimate me. And then me hear no talk about America where she there. Make she stay at Jamaica and prison me over here. Make she stay at Jamaica and prison me over here. Or go send your card cleaning money and make them prison me over here. And then me talk the things them. Cause me have receipts, you know. Me have the receipts them. Now make me have to clock some tea. I'm really gonna make me open up my mouth for people when they trouble me. So now make me have to go this song, go down the road there. Drakes could have be a baby father look more. Yeah, this Drakes, yeah, this blood clot me. And even if me see and Drakes talk tomorrow, that have nothing to do with me, cause I'm baby mother and baby father that at the end of the day. And after me and my man them left and come cry cree. And people them say, don't talk back to me when I look at me and them again. So me not really give a fuck if Uno want go back go talk. But you can't walk. And I like, me can't diss anybody, you know. Man them never me fucking know. But to your baby father, Rosealee, you show one different type of bad mind in your bro. Me never seen nobody on the internet bad mind like you. Nobody can call me bad mind because I not cuss nobody for no gift and want bring down nobody over no gift. You do it with Jaden. You do it with Fabi. Make we go down because I look like people them forgot. You do it with Drakes. You do it with Jaden enough time. You do it with Jaden friend when you slime. You do it with Fabi enough time when you play with Fabi and Fabi beat out your blood clot. You do it with Candy. The man Candy, when Candy I get the gift them. And if nobody never there see it, you do it with Triple. You make Triple ball real tears. Oh, remember the day when Jaden go get Triple how much lion and Triple are your friend and your class Triple and say a Triple and Jaden plan it for make you look bad just because Jaden go get Triple how much blood clot lion. You do it with everybody, Rosealee. You know, once somebody you do it, your heart black. And you alone forget gift. When time Drake did go come over here, you did cuss Drake and say, over here not nice. And all the man come over here and the first thing the man tap on the screen say, I'm a baby mother over here, so I never did want to come over here. So I won't know what to say. I don't know go get it. Come over here, so come this sir. Me I look to help them for me youth. And that's why I can't understand how people really go look upon Drakes and a class Drakes when Drakes are answer back. There's been multiple times Rosealee provoke Drakes and Drakes now look upon him. The first time the man come over here, the man now appear Rosealee in a man and Rosealee turn on come cuss the man go suck batty suck pussy. And the man say him now this her. Rosealee constantly disrespect the man and talk with the man, I'm from with the man and know the man answer, it's a problem. There's been one video me see walk and provoke her, yes. I must see when him a walk and he says, see her car there or something like that, whatever. And I don't feel no way about it because Rosealee would have did the same thing. She would have done the same thing too. One heap of time, me see she dey live and me hear Drake smoking in the background. Drake smoking in the background and mind him own business. Drake smoking in the background for try get under her skin for she start cuss. It's a difference. It's a difference when everybody live in a one area and we don't have to pass one another. It's at the volume of your voice. The man pass and the man attack pan and arm. The man not talk for get under her skin for she cuss. She come today and she Lord you fuck. She loud and she strong. Just because you want Drakes for go shout out something to you so that you can have something for argue with. Who know you probably have a knife for you to chop up the man because so you stay. Thank you, sister. So you stay. And you're big and you're low and you're careless. You like you borrow flat iron. She left all the way from her yard come and borrow flat iron from somebody. I'm not borrowing a flat iron from a friend, you know. You borrow a flat iron. And she left her yard come buy Lasco. Girl like you not have grocery. Me not say people not for walk go shop, but when you know the media have like a spotlight, you know for start roll like celebrities and influencers. Or if a cocky you know, say candies are influencers. Give the girl them confident for Lego man and talk about them things, and when mate start come off for you one can the influence girl be a span or man no fi take you for idiot and look a style them. Me influence people for mix up and chat the things in my heart or something. Rebel influence people for dance. Swiss influence the people that for come on TikTok come keep serious. Donia influence the people that for come out of them sensible mind and be a mad girl and a mad man and run up and down and put on the most mad clothes them. Everybody have something on the app where they influence about. So when time you know have on yourself as influencers, popular people with popularity, whatever, you care yourself better. You know what? Go shop, go buy Alaska again. You go grocery and you buy your grocery, you put them in your yard where you do have to walk, go shop. And then there's something you start move different. But let me tell you, this a new generation, you're different. Because if I did one time, Rosealee man box down your blood clot already, you know. She influencer, yeah. Everybody are influencer and they own different to you. You think nobody not look up to her? I'm tell you something, nobody not perfect. Everybody a human being. Everybody have them own thing. You say, how then can't cancel me, so then can't cancel she. I mean, I see which girl pan this cancel me. I mean, I see the girl with cancel she neither. You understand what I say? And you can't cancel Rebel them and you can't cancel Swiss them. There's a lot of people and you can't cancel Donia. There's a lot of people on TikTok where you cannot cancel. No matter how them thief, no matter how them lie, no matter how you can't cancel Jade, no matter what we do, you're going to have some people, thank you, babe, where them have some loyal people back at them. Now, can you come and tell them don't give Rosealee? The more you tell them don't give her, the more lion and universe I go. The more you tell them don't give Vani, and the more them send me money for do this and do that. So everybody have their own people. Everybody influence and people look up to them in their own different way. But she need to stop do this and this not nice because your kids them have sense. Today was such a very good day. Thank you, babe. Can you believe that Shanto get prefect badge in our class? Congratulations. Shanto get prefect badge in our class. And guess who Shanto call and tells her she get prefect badge? Monitor badge. Yeah. The little girl. Shante get her badge. And guess who Shante call? Shante call her father. And tell her father that she just get badge. Her father feels so good. Drake's just a smile. The way all Drake's feel extra proud for know say in my first one for hear him get badge. Big up yourself. I know Rosealee can't get a call. And if you feel like Rosealee give a fuck, so she not get a call. Rosealee the day I do tattoo. She don't give a fuck about the kids. You have to be careful you pitney them. This might sound away, but pitney can be very blood clot and grateful. And pitney we be spiteful. If pitney them we grow up and see for themselves. Say you no want give them no money. The pitney them we see themselves. So you rather man over them. Cause them a big pitney them with sense now. Cause the way I hear the daughter talk, she's very sensible. And them all grow up for say there's nothing but a shit you not give them nothing. You don't know the kids they might turn around be a judge. Turn around be a police. Turn around be a lawyer and a doctor. And get rich. And only take care of the father. And then you're going to want to squeeze you know, and them not going to look for you. They not going to look for you. Because them remember what you do them. I don't know about. I want to can't tell me those speak for me out of everybody. You're not supposed to tell me those speak for Rosealee. Because Rosealee speak for everybody. One was Benzema. What's you ready for TikTok? Watch out. I just go figure. Watch out now. I just go figure ask you say if you're ready for TikTok or be a drama over. But I forgot to you did up on TikTok one at the time for a long while I come.
Yeah, I just drew my come off.
You did up on TikTok for a good while I get our line them and our things and over here for true.
Let me just come back here now. But we're ready now.
Too much cause me done.
Yeah, baby.
That talk the things them and me done talk with them.
Okay. Alright, me did that one story time with them. So
What kind of story?